Good morning, welcome to Morning Outlook. Starting off with the euro dollar this morning, and well, as you can see, it's predominantly in a downward trend. However, this morning it started edging back into this what became the start of a potential reversal with the divergence that sits on the euro there. So a bit of divergence going on there. It's whether it can actually pick up some momentum to the upside here. At the moment, above its daily pivot, no, just below its daily pivot, beg pardon, it's weekly pivot below, so maybe if it can break back above that daily pivot, we could see some more upside here. I need to watch this carefully because it's, it had made lower lows earlier on. I'm wondering whether we'll just see a sort of move up to that pivot and a rollover back towards the Asian session lows there, maybe even the S1 at some stage. Confirmed break above there. I would be looking for the upside, maybe Friday's highs. The pound is pretty much expected from a bit of analysis I did yesterday afternoon there. It's still facing southwards at the moment in this little move, but I say little move, it's bounced off the daily 50 at the moment, but maybe looking for more downside now. It's had a bit of a run back up to that 8 and is not convincing. However, the caveat is if it starts breaking above these highs at 24.35, I may be looking for the weekly pivot, daily pivot. There's quite a lot of a draw above us, even the 60.21s above us. Now it's moved quite a way away. There's talk about just to muddy the waters even more, a new independence vote for Scotland. Let them go is what I say, or did I say that out loud? Sorry. Anyway, break above there could see us going towards the weekly and the dailies there. Alternatively, we're already down at the S1. May get a run back to that Asian session low and beyond. We'll see how we play out there. It's been a bitty one to trade in the last week or so for me. Okay, looking at the dollar yen, and it's selling off at the moment, continued in that, I say at the moment, up until yesterday, the final part of yesterday, Friday. Shorter time frame here on the 4 hours, we've seen a bit of divergence, and we do have the weekly pivot above us, which could be a bit more of a draw to the upside here. Now, of course, that's against the current trend of direction. We've got the daily and weekly pivots above us. Break above the 21s may give us a bit more confirmation. A bit bitty, and I'm wondering whether it may just kiss the daily and roll from there, but we'll see. There's a bit of actually a bit of double divergence going on across these lows at the moment, so we'll see if that can just get a bit more traction to the upside. So at the moment, probably steering a little bit more clear of it until it shows its hand, so it's a bit of patience for me this morning on that. The Aussie dollar, I'm finding this picture looking quite choppy at the moment. It's obviously last Thursday it pushed in, put in a new high into the monthly R1. I wonder if that would just hold it. The stats are not fantastic for it breaking it really, but there's a possibility. It's a bit bitty. There seems to be supply up in that region when it does do it. It's done an ABC down into Friday, although divergence moved through the Asian session here, so already hit the daily pivot, the R1, and the weekly pivot rather. So for me, I'll just stand aside and leave that to be, as I normally do most mornings. Okay, Canadian dollar. So we put in a bit of a pivot swing on Thursday evening. Friday saw a bit of follow through from that, almost into this spiky supply area, support demand area down here. A bit bitty at the moment. It's already hit the weekly pivot, just come down. Daily pivot's below, so if it starts selling off, maybe if it breaks that daily pivot, not a lot of mileage towards that daily pivot, but we may see it run down towards the bodies of the Friday lows there, and then maybe on towards Friday's low. Let's just check what's happening with oil. Yeah, oil's pushing back up a little bit again. Be interested to see if it pushes back up towards this 54.5, 3/4 even area. it's been pushing up there for some time. I'm wondering if we'll see a break of that 55 just to flush out a huge short contingent that sits around there. Okay, in which case we could see the Canadian dollar skip down some more and push through to its lows and maybe a bit more. Okay, that's it for me this morning. News-wise, there's very little out really. There's core durable goods at 130, which I don't expect much of a mover from. It's not moved for a long time of any significance. So have a great day. Bye for now.